Capacity, 50 liters, ideal for room size of 160 square feet. Product dimensions, 38 cm x 44 cm x 129 cm. Power, 150 watts, operating voltage, 230 to 240 V, supports inverter, yes, warranty, 1 year. Package includes, main unit, user manual with warranty card. Easy returns. This product is eligible for full refund within 10 days of delivery in case of any product defects, damage or features not matching the description provided. 6 Please contact us on 1860 184 111, 01133684999. Always allow for cross-ventilation in your area room, else cooler won't work effectively. For any product-related issues, please contact us on 1860 180 4111, 011 3368 4999. Electroplated motor cover, blade bracket, down rod and canopy. Contact us on 180010311313. 5 blades made of high quality wood. Light on or off and speed controlled by pull chains. Powerful motor with silent operation. Sweep, 1320 mm. Warranty, 2 years on product.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Please do subscribe, like, share.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Like and subscribe this video. Subscribe our JP Store channel.